It's another Phuxxed or Phuxxed. It's really hopefully not a TV Phuxxed or Phuxxed, but it might be. I'm not sure. It's another lucky dip, opening the box. My God, I've bought so much crap. Phuxxed or Phuxxed. I'm going to attempt to get into this quickly, because if this is what I think it is, it's going to have a few things in it. And so that's going to be a few videos. I don't really want to be spending too much video time just going, oh look, I'm opening a box and taking the things out. I mean, I know people love unboxing videos. I know they do. I had a friend and I said, I know people love unboxing videos and I don't understand. And she said, well, you need to see this guy. And she sent me a link of a guy who just unboxes some sort of Dungeons and Dragons like cards. Doesn't even talk about them. Just takes them out of their packets and puts up the price of the value of the card and then puts it away and opens another one to music. Why? Why do people watch unboxings? I don't understand. But I'm glad they do, seeing as I occasionally take things out of boxes. Or try to. Right. Have I got enough of the pieces of tape? Yes. Have I got things wrapped in newspaper? Yes. Do I want to look at what newspaper it is? It appears to be a local one. I shall not judge harshly. But, yeah, this is what I think it's going to be. So, I'm going to take all of the... Oh, didn't the chippy used to do that? Out of the box. The reason the chippy doesn't do it anymore, by the way, UK law. But, all the things out of the box. It's like a really cheap and not very good Christmas. I'm going to unwrap. I'm unwrapping. I'm taking the wrapping paper off. I'm not seeing any pictures of Santa or dancing polar bears. Hey! Can you guess what the other four are going to be then? For this is an Omega Jive. With is that... Oh no, I think that maybe... I don't know if that would come off or if I could just snap it off. With belt clip. It's a Jive stereo cassette player radio with belt clip. Tape, radio off. Omega, model 8044. Does that mean that there have been 8,043 other ones of these? How many batteries does it... Oh, it's grotty in there. That's a bit grim. How many batteries does it take? 2. How many will it work from? None. So there's that. Oh man, that's... If you got this as a gift in 1983 or whatever this was, you just conclude that the world hated you, wouldn't you? You kind of go, oh, thank you, I can now put the 3 cassettes that I have in the world in there and they can all be chewed up and I can listen to them badly and scratchily before they die. That's the best gift ever. Oh, that's... Although maybe that's actually going to be the best sounding one that's ever been made and people just didn't know because I went, no, I'm a brand snob, it must be a Sony or a JVC or Omega's crap, and maybe that's like the gold of all personal stereos ever made. I doubt it. And then we have a Panasonic that's meant to be a fairly good make, and I've just noticed, I thought this was something weird when I was doing this. Play, fast forward, stop, eject, and I'm not sure it even ejects. You can just pop it by hand. I don't think the ejectors... Oh, that's so nasty. This one at least has rewind. Yes, you can go forwards and backwards. It's like time travel on a tape. Yeah, so we have... Oh, this one has chrome, metal, normal. It's got a radio with band select. Oh, tape radio selector switch. Not looking healthy. That could be a challenge, couldn't it? Well, it could be a hell of a challenge. But I'm not fixing them on this video. I might test them, so this is mostly unwrapping them. Just because I can. For me, this is Christmas. That's got some rattle to it. I was going to say some weight. I went, oh, feel the weight of that, and then I heard the rattle, and then whatever was rattling got stuck somewhere. I'm sure it'll... maybe it's part of the lid. It's got a rewind button and a fast forward. Oh. And it's auto reverse. Oh, now that's posh. And it's got Dolby. Also posh. And it's got a tape radio switch. So if this is knackered, maybe there can be a bit of Franken stereo. How do I get into it though? Open. I just lift that. Okay. Oh. There's a springy thing not where it should be. Well, if that is where it should be, then that's very interestingly made. So, there's that one. Kind of looking forward to that. Not looking forward to the Panasonic, because that switch, I think, is going to be an absolute pig. What's this one? It's... Oh, I was about to say, oh, well, it's a very confidence-inspiring colour. No, it's a bloody Panasonic with... meant to be like that? With a folding belt clip. Woobly woobly belty clippy. That's different. Oh, it's quite pretty, I suppose. Not in this the right way up? No, now I am. There's a Panasonic extra bass system, stereo radio cassette player. Play, fast forward, rewind, stop. It has a radio selector, it has X bass on or off, tape or radio, volume. Not a posh one then. I'm not seeing fancy buttons for like quality tapes and noise reduction so that the becomes a I'm not seeing, yeah, there's no snake limitation on that stereo. Last one, before I can start putting batteries in. Oh no, oh, I'm disappointed. I mean, I'm not, well I am, because I'm like, and then, missing its battery door. That's frustrating, and doesn't have a belt clip that it can fall off from. That's... I'm indifferent to. Ear God. Oh, brilliant. Okay, so that's one of those ones. No, you must not listen to the music at the volume you wish to. We must protect your ears. But it's another auto-reverse. It's an auto-reverse with radio and buttons and probably lots of digital stuff to go / has gone wrong. Which way around do the batteries go? I'm going to start trying batteries out in these things. I'm going to try batteries out in these things when I find the other battery, which is over here from something else, which I now can't open. Didn't think this through, did I? There it is. Okay, come on. Let's start with the one nearest me. Putting a battery in. Don't have any headphones or anything here, so this is literally just seeing what happens when I put batteries in. Well, it says tape. What does it say afterwards? My viewfinder is very difficult to see from here. It says tape. And it no doubt, again, says tape. But what it's not doing is playing the tape. In fact, I hear no motor. I believe there are no signs of life from this. That's a concern, but these things are meant to be broken. If they were working, it wouldn't be very interesting, and I wouldn't be taking them out of the things. So we have that one, just no sounds of life. I was going to say, oh, you know, for some reason I expected the cassette door to be there, so I was looking here for the batteries, and now the tape goes in its bottom. Well, that's unusual. Where do the tape, where's the batteries go? Right. Oh, and it's got batteries. I'm going to take those out. I don't trust them. Going to put this battery in, hopefully the right way around, and then going to put this battery in, hopefully the right way around. I'm really... That's thrown me. That's not normal. What happens if I push play? Well, it makes a playing sound. Well, that's kind of going around. Those things are going around. Alright, what happens if I rewind? Well, it even auto stops because it hasn't got tape in there. Fast forward? Oh, fast forward doesn't auto stop. Okay. But rewind. And stop. Make something go. I don't know what. Well, this one might work. I don't know. Maybe the fault is something else. Maybe it's got terrible sound quality or something. Close, damn you. Right. Oh, should I save the best till last? No, let's do it now. This one looks very rusty in there. I don't expect to get... In fact, there's not going to be any live because what I thought was a rusty contact is a missing contact. So there will be no testing of this one. Sorry, but there will be an attempt to fix it at some point. Might do that one first. Probably won't. Ferguson. Hello, Ferguson. Let's see how you... Oh, Ferguson's got a really annoying battery box. Really annoying. And somebody has already attacked the contact with something pointy to make it shiny. So they thought it had duff contacts. Was this the one that had an eject on it? No, it wasn't, was it? This was the one that that has a wonky lid. Wonky lid, but when I press play... Aha! It's whirring, it's not moving. So this might just be belts. And then ignore the badly fitting wonky door, which may have glue on it from a previous repair. Yep, so that seems to be belts. Right. Probably more than belts now. It already rattled. And the Panasonic. The basic model Panasonic, which still has one more button than the Omega. What's this one going to be like? Which way round do the batteries go? Does that go pling? No, okay. Oh, that end went pling. Right, so that way round. Always check the pling when you're fitting batteries. I'm going to open the door. Does this have a conventional door? I've already looked inside the door, haven't I? Why can't I now figure out how to open the door? Right. Then press play. And nothing. What were the batteries around? Because that's the magic fix. Nope. This one seems to be completely dead. So, what was that? That was nothing really happening apart from it saying tape. Couldn't check. Connection rotted away. This word but rattles. So hopefully belt. This one, did I decide this one might actually work? And then this, which is completely dead. These could be some fun fixes, or tedious fixes, or completely Phuxxed. I don't know. But one by one, I'm going to find out.